Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today's this LA115 here. A little problem with the steering wheel. Well, you can go back and forth a good ½ inch. Yeah, the bushing's gone inside here. I'm just going to remove the hood here. Don't have to do it, but I'm just going to remove the hood. The bushing's supposed to go right in there. As you can see, there's a groove wore right in the shaft here. So this is the bushing that's wore. So there's a part number right here. There's just a little plastic thing here. Just you bend it over, put it on the shaft and push it down. But if I put that down, it won't last because the groove is wore on the steering shaft. So I'll show you how to fix that without replacing the steering shaft. I'm going to take these 4 bolts off. 2 back here and 2 in the front here. 10mm socket. You see the groove right there is all worn out. You can put the bushing back there. It's hard to do. So I'm just gonna remove the spring here of the PTO. And there's a stud and a washer on this side. I'm gonna push up and remove it. So as you can see, it's longer on the PTO side. There's a bolt right here, 8mm. Don't lose the nut. I'm gonna push on the bolt. It just comes right out. This will slide right out. There you go. Take that out. And slide down. I can take this off here. Now there's a washer for your PTO right here. Don't lose that. All right. I'm gonna put the bushing here on the shaft, push it down this way and go all the way around, stick her in there. There you go. So we go, put this back up. We don't want this bushing to ride on that groove. So what I'm going to do is put these spacers or put a nut and 4 nuts back here, and then this plate will be down about 5mm, just enough to clear the groove. So make sure it fits in here. Okay, I'm gonna put this washer here for my PTO shaft here. Don't forget that. Make sure the bushings are in there too. The bottom bushing fell down there, and I put it back in. And like that. So I'm going to put these 5mm shims here to shim this plate down so that bushing don't hit that groove on that shaft. I'm going to put the bolt through here. Put this slide in here, and I'm going to raise it up. Well, that didn't hold. That didn't hold. Just gonna go in just a little bit here. My front one here. Alright, I'll put on this side here. Put the nut there first. Put this through. And then stick it up there. Now I'm going to bring the PTO shaft to the middle here. I'm going to slide it in the groove. It only goes in one way. Okay, I'm going to put the bolt in here. Put the nut. I'm going to put the stud back in here. And I'm going to put my cable. And then the washer. And then the long part of the spring goes underneath the washer. And it clicks right there. And we can't forget the ignition switch here. And yeah, tighten right up. Awesome. Alright, you don't have to shim this down if there's no groove in that steering shaft, but if there's a big groove, you're gonna have to shim it down because that plastic bushing ain't gonna last. However you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.